Yes. He is back. Dynablade. Dynablade is destroying all the crops. She must be stopped. Master have different abilities to defeat her.
Giant ass bird.
Ass bird.
Ass bird. Yeah. No.
No, we've done this before.
Why?
Because we don't.
He's a mini boss. In this one. Oh, excuse me, sorry. I don't know where that came from.
Sound like it came from the bowels of hell.
It scared me. Shit scared me.
Oh, I've been playing Oblivion again. I had another alarm in there.
Oh my fucking god, again.
Dude, watch the swearing. Jeez.
No. It's hard to around you, honestly.
I'm not swearing.
I know, but generally whenever I'm around you, you don't give a shit if I cuss. So
I just got to say it.
I know, it's
Oh jeez. It's the umbrella power here.
Huh?
The umbrella power.
That
is a thing though, like, you can swear, but if you keep it to a minimum, it's better.
Okay.
Because YouTube, algorithms, all that good stuff.
YouTube's going to crap.
It kinda is. Not good. Like, it's still a good platform now, but...
Can you hit it with your star? Oh, wait, right there. That thing, right there. Right there.
Yeah, I know, the power is so worthless.
Yes, the one time this thing has ever been useful.
It's always useful.
You shut your poor mouth.
Why is the fire?
Says the one that keeps on making fun of me. IQ 130. Shut the fuck up.
So how come I have like a clown hat? A lot of these do not have clown hats.
It's a true statement. Why do you have a clown? Wait, which one's the secret?
I'm assuming the one
No, because they might want you to think that. Obvious. Which one's the secret? It was the other one. I feel like we've made this mistake twice. Before. I've made this mistake before. Twice, as a matter of fact. I don't know the best part about this is, if I don't actually, you know, share it with you, you won't get the immortality, so, I mean... Just wasting away this immortality.
Yeah.
Okay, come here. Oh, hey! No! It's just mine. Mine alone.
Weird.
Huh, fuck you.
That's not nice.
I wasted the entire thing, it's great. It's almost a spite, too. It's basically a spite.
Is there a spike?
Huh?
Oh, shit. Today.
Exactly!
That's one of my favorite things of all time. It's a Facebook post, and it has it's Santa Claus.
Okay.
And he's looking at his list, so it's like the naughty list is really like large, and then the nice list is a little bit smaller, and the next one next to it is just like 3 stories tall, and it says pretty good but kind of a dick.
It's like, so I do good things, but I do it in such an asshole-ish manner.
Oh, it's just one of these, just like, kind of a dick, but
Voltage
not
Stein.
necessarily bad guy.
Voltage Stein. You're not wrong, you're just an asshole.
Yeah.
The German word, of course.
It's funny, like, so, like, now you're alone.
Don't waste it here, because we have full health. We both have full health. I no longer have full health, but that's fine.
Did they get rid of it?
No.
Nice.
Oh. I don't know why I was waiting for me.
Go! First.
Yeah. Dang.
Oh, you know what we should play soon?
Why?
Shovel Knight.
Yeah. Never played Shovel Knight.
It's fun.
I've heard
It's
it
good
is.
TV's fun.
And you wasted on one thing.
Why am I out of health? Where are you at? It's supposed to be a minion.
I don't want to be a minion. Can I retire?
No.
I don't even get like any bonuses as your employee. I don't have health.
What do you mean you don't get bonuses?
I don't have
health. Use all my shit.
I don't have.
Like you got a freaking rock and airsoft gun.
I don't have health insurance or anything. I don't have any benefits as your employee.
Again, you can use all my shit.
Yeah, but I don't get any benefits.
That's totally benefits.
Wow, dude just looks like he's fucking constipated when he charges. Noise makes it better. That or he has a tummy ache, I can't tell which.
Well, that's basically this.
Yeah, true point.
You get a tummy ache if you got.
Yeah, generally. And ninjas over here.
Ninjas?
Ninjas, we could both become a ninja.
I'm a ninja, I'm a hoodie ninja.
No, yeah, drop your ability so you can get the ninja. And grab the ninja, and give it to me, and then we can go back around, so and we don't leave, we just go back around. So we just go down here.
Oh.
And run up, and then we go.
What's Bruce Lee's favorite drink?
Water!
Going again. Why does Kirby look like he's committing suicide when he jumps?
Wait, what? We need to redo that because I wasn't paying attention.
No, don't kill us. Jesus! I just got Nintendo'd. It wouldn't let me do anything.
That was great. How do I do that myself?
Okay, but yeah, watch Kirby. So what is Kirby?
He's actually a god of infinite power.
I got body slammed.
In his actual lore, he's a god of unlimited power.
He's, like, I don't know.
And Smash Bros. Everywhere, it just says he's a fucking god. It's great. Like his health bar in you've probably seen this meme, but there's a joke about how his health bar in Smash Bros. Isn't actually his health; it's just how many fucks he gives.
Oh man.
We don't need anything in this room, but you know what? We're ninjas. We don't need secrets. We're ninjas.
I like.
Ninjas are better than secrets.
Oh yeah, so I have been watching some stuff, so it's not anything new, but it's new to me. Have you ever seen the regular show?
Yeah.
Did you see the one where they're playing, well, he's actually in a couple of episodes. It's like, Garrett Bobby Fisher Jr., the floating head.
Oh, yeah.
Who played video games.
Yeah. One of my favorite episodes.
Yeah, apparently that's kind of based off a real dude.
Yeah.
Real dude that was, like, world champion at video games.
Yeah.
Guess what? Dude got caught cheating. So all of his things got revoked. Like last year.
Wait, what?
All of his scores are like null and void because he got caught cheating. And he was really dumb about it.
Wait, wasn't that entire shtick in one of the episodes anyways? Was the fact that he was cheating?
No, he didn't cheat. He was...
Or was he blaming Mordecai and Rigby on for cheating? I can't remember.
Yeah. He was blaming them. Well, he didn't say they were cheating, but what it was is like, oh, it's my life if I don't have that.
Don't get that. If you jump on me, you could ride me.
Yeah, that would be super fast.
Have fun. We're having too much fun, aren't we?
It's like a self-propelled motorcycle. This is what minions are.
Self-propelled unicycle, actually. Okay, we need to get the hammer. So.
Yeah, because that's how we get it.
Secret. Spin him, and then.
Go here.
Ah! I got him. We're good.
Alright, as long as someone's gonna be here.
Yeah.
It's hammer time.
So there's a secret. Oh, ooh. Yoda.
Where you going?
Huh?
Where you going? There you go. That's some Mario stuff right there.
It is, yeah.
Destroying the whole castle just because you didn't like the people. Did watch Robot Chicken?
Honestly, Mario's just an absolute asshole.
Kinda is. Thanks.
Anyways, have I ever seen what?
Robot Chicken.
I tend to avoid Robot Chicken. I've seen very few actual Adult Swim shows because I'm usually asleep.
Pansy.
I mean, I watched them a lot when I was a kid. It was mostly just ones that I... Oh, hey, look, mini boss. It was mostly just ones that I enjoyed, like Family Guy and stuff like that. Robot Chicken was the one that I liked. But
Go forth, minion, and whale.
Oh. You fucking murdered me.
Only on purpose. Actually, I didn't.
I don't think you did.
There you go. Go for it, minion.
I don't know what her ability is, so I mean, if you want...
Okay. No, okay.
Not yet. You have to wait until she's dead, because she's a mini boss. I'll take her. Oh, fighter. Okay.
Punchies.
Cool.
Nice, I'll take punchies.
What was a secret I think we missed on accident? Probably that whole ninja shtick.
Probably don't understand. Like
Random... I don't know what's the worst part about ADHD is.
About what?
ADHD.
I don't know. It's always been a benefit to me. Well,
there's a few things that sucks. One, random just boosts of energy when you don't want them.
yeah.
Two, random absolute no energy when you do want some.
Oh, Jesus. It's a ghost.
It's me.
It's a ghost.
You piece of shit.
That ghost.
Or the absolute. I think what sucks the most is when you have motivation but no ideas, or when you have ideas but no motivation. That one's the worst. Secrets. You know?
Like, motivation's really nice a little bit. But, like, everyone's always like, oh, yeah, ADHD is, like, it's hard. Well, if you realize you have it...
No, it's not too hard.
It's one of those things...
I mean, it's one of those things that also comes with, like, a shit ton of other stuff, like, depression and anxiety.
Yeah. Those are usually the wrong things.
Yeah, but...
Like, so if you realize you have it, it basically means you get those random bursts of energy and stuff like that, and you can basically just use it to your advantage and just work your ass off and try to get a bunch of shit done.
Yeah. Normally when those bursts of energies happen, though, it's like midnight when I want to go to sleep.
Yeah. But that's when I do all my recording and shit.
When you want to go to sleep at midnight?
I mean, several times I've been down here like 3 o'clock in the morning just trying to do an edit or try something new. Or, like, that's how I figured out, oh shit, I was dead.
You're almost going to die.
Basically figured out how to work my game capture better by doing random shit at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Food!
Yeah. Smooches of life.
Wow.
But, like, so I did a video on it, but yeah, I've been using the camera that I got posted right there instead of the webcam. I've been syncing it up that way. And it looks so much better.
I was waiting for this to be an enemy right at the bottom and just kill you. Okay, I'm gonna sit right above this, right here. Look at me being smart.
But yeah, I also found out my computer is... Well, you have the same computer I have.
Yeah.
Like, it's literally the exact same thing.
Mm-hmm.
But, our CPU is not the greatest.
Nope.
So, like, our memory's fine. Memory works really great. It can hold stuff, it'll play stuff.
Oh, yeah.
But, like, if you try to, like, streaming and stuff like that,
Uh-huh.
it'll slow it down a bit.
You don't say.
Yeah.
It's almost as if I've been trying to do that for years.
Years you've had it for a year.
You know what I mean? I've been trying to get into streaming for years.
Yeah. But, like, it's one of those things I found. ways around it.
Found a way around it?
Yeah, you gotta buy a new CPU.
Fuck.
It's like a $300 fix. But actually, I'm saving my money now. I'm just gonna get a new PC.
Oh, great. This is why my dreams of being an actual, like, popular streamer don't happen.
Well, it's one of those things, like, it's fun to do. So if you fail at it, oh no, you got to sit around and play video games and have fun.
True.
Like, if you succeed, awesome. If not, like, you just got to have fun.
We have a good long trip ahead of us.
It's too loud.
Not long.
Come hit this thing.
You know what I mean. I'm trying.
Try harder.
Damn it. They're not try hard.
That's always, like, oh, you're try hard. Why is that bad?
Because usually it happens like casual games.
So, what if you just want to be good at it?
Because like what it is, everyone's not taking the game seriously. Everyone's just playing casually. But then someone who's treating like it's competitive shows up.
What if he wants to play competitive?
There's some kind of competitive mode.
Well, yeah, but like, what if you just want
I don't know.
Like I said, like, they're like, oh, you try hard. And I want to be good. You guys can be noobs.
I think my least favorite ability in all the games is this.
The ones that are like super helpful and awesome.
No, just that one in particular, because it looks fucking stupid. I don't get how it works.
No.
Oh, great, suplex.
Yeah.
Of course you want a suplex. You would want a suplex, huh?
You ever suplex someone?
Oh.
It's fun.
You have?
I was in wrestling.
You were in wrestling?
I did wrestling for like...
I knew you were in diving, but wrestling?
I did everything.
Haha, fuck you.
It didn't register my hit.
Sure.
I didn't. That's what I'm saying. Like, what helped me? Yeah, dude, I did everything once.
Did you shoot a person once?
Almost.
Pretty close.
Like, yeah. He was robbing my brother.
Oh.
But we'll actually save that for next episode. So remember, guys, have fun out there.
Not too much fun, though.
The right amount.
Just that sweet spot of fun.
Thank you for checking out another one of my videos. If you're interested in any more, I've got a couple lined up right here. And if you haven't yet, click the icon in the center to subscribe to my channel. And remember, have fun out there.